S-curve is up there and at it again. This time the girl is really not happy. And she's saying, okay, can we stop this now? All right, where's S-curve here? You can tell by his tail. So he's the one behind. There, you can tell that's S-curve. S-curve, you're already giving people gray hairs. They're reporting gray hair dealing with this, so enough of this. We know you're a studly dude and you're probably going to be the father of many children. Do you really need to go after every single one? Oh man. So the girl's on the left, I believe. Yep, and there's an S-curve coming up behind her. Oh, that's S-curve making the noise, I think, because it's in time with his tail flicking. Okay, so they're over there. I'm gonna head over there.